Automobile AC tips day 49. Listen for clicking sounds from relays. Your vehicle's AC system relies on electrical relays to switch high power components like the compressor clutch, cooling fan, and blower motor on and off. A healthy relay often makes a soft, clean click, but abnormal clicking can signal trouble. What abnormal clicking may indicate: 1. Weak or failing relay contact. 2. Low battery voltage or poor grounding. 3. Faulty compressor clutch coil. 4. Loose wiring or corroded terminals. 5. ECU or control signal issues. 6. Overheating relay due to high current draw. Side notes: if the relay cannot hold properly, your compressor may cycle erratically, leading to poor cooling, warm air, or complete AC failure. Below are the quick check you can do. 1. Listen near the fuse or relay box when AC is turned on. 2. Compare sound with similar relays. 3. Feel for excessive heat on the relay. 4. Inspect for burnt smell or melted housing. Timemo pro tip: replacing a faulty relay early can prevent expensive compressor damage. If your AC clicks but doesn't cool, your relay might be crying for help. Don't ignore the sound. Your compressor depends on it. Timemo Global Limited. We go deep for your car to come out new.